Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Shirley Viloria, 27 years old, from Philippines. I have three sisters, undergraduate, Bachelor of Nursing. My experience in the Philippines are working in Baguio, houseworking, two members in the family, way back as 2023, 2025. Um, I take care the wife. She is a 46 years old and cancer patient, bedridden, and I change the diaper, I change the clothes, and I wash the poop, and I'm cooking the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and car wash, cooking, marketing, and mop the floor. And to my employer, I do my best, and take care the member of the family. And that's thank you, mom and sir.